Welcome! In this short video, we will see how Akamas helps minimize the cost of the Google Dataproc Spark managed service. Let's have a look at this optimization study. As we see, the optimization goal is to minimize the cost of the Dataproc service, determined by the size and the execution time of the underlying cluster. The system under analysis is composed by several components: the cluster, the master instance, the workers instances, and of course the Spark application. Let's now inspect one of the components. As you can see, each component provides a set of parameters and a set of metrics. These parameters and metrics are shipped out of the box by the Akamas optimization pack. The optimization pack are technology specific. For instance, the Google Cloud one provides parameters representing all the GCP instance types, which of course is one of the main knobs for tuning a Dataproc cluster. Let's now have a look at the result of the optimization study. As you can see, Akamas has identified a configuration that reduced the cost of the Dataproc service by almost 50%. This optimal configuration implies changing multiple parameters belonging to all the different components of our system. For each of these parameters, we can see the best value on the left, compared to the baseline configuration on the right. That is the default value used by Dataproc. Akamas also provides a relevance index to identify how impactful that parameter is. Let's now see how Akamas determined this to be the optimal configuration. Akamas performed several experiments, represented by the dots in this chart. In each experiment, Akamas tested a different combination of all the parameters. As you can see, Akamas was able to rapidly converge by already improving on the baseline after a dozen of experiments, and identifying in less than 30 experiments, in just a few hours, a configuration that halves the cluster cost. It's worth noticing that this optimal configuration also improved the duration of the Spark application, which gets reduced by more than 50%. This concludes this video, where we described how the challenging task of reducing the cost of the Dataproc service can be quickly solved by Akamas, by automatically optimizing both the cluster size and the Spark application. Thanks again for your interest.